Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake in a blender. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and any flavorings you desire, like chocolate syrup or fresh fruit. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go. Selecting good quality ice cream is key for a rich, creamy milkshake. Now let's get blending. Always add your milk to the blender first. This helps the blades move freely and prevents the ice cream from sticking. Next, add your ice cream and any solid flavorings. Start blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then increase to a higher speed. Blend for about 30 seconds until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. The fun part is customizing your milkshake. Feel free to add fresh berries, a spoonful of peanut butter, or even crushed cookies for extra texture and taste. If you prefer a thicker shake, use less milk. For a thinner consistency, add a little more. Don't forget to top it off with whipped cream, a cherry, or some colorful sprinkles for that extra special touch. Your delicious homemade milkshake is ready. Carefully pour it into a tall glass, perhaps a chilled one, and serve it right away to savor its perfect coldness and creamy texture. Enjoy your refreshing treat. Remember, the best milkshakes are enjoyed fresh. And speaking of bringing things to life, you can easily enhance your home with smart technology. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to make your space even better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.